Number 1. 1979 Chevrolet C10, $450, Littleton, Colorado. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 is an affordable square body pickup that runs and drives well, making it an attractive entry-level classic truck. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission, it has benefited from years of maintenance, including brakes, alternator, wheel bearings, master cylinder, and tires. The long bed and fiberglass topper add practicality, while the clean title and road-ready condition make it a solid candidate for light restoration or regular use. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, $3,500, Rancho, Cordova, California. This 1989 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 offers dependable V8 power from its 5.7-liter engine and automatic transmission. With 163,000 miles, a clean title, and current registration, it appears to be a straightforward driver-quality truck. The 1988-1998 Chevrolet pickups remain popular thanks to their reliability, simple mechanics, and excellent parts availability, making this Silverado an appealing budget classic. Number 3. 1989 Toyota Truck Flatbed, $5,000, San Diego, California. This 1989 Toyota truck is a hard-working flatbed equipped with the 3.0-liter V6 engine and a manual transmission. Recent maintenance includes a valve job, timing belt, water pump, brakes, spark plugs, and ignition components, helping ensure reliable operation. Its dual rear wheels and flatbed configuration make it especially useful for landscaping, construction, or farm work. Clean title Toyota work trucks from this era continue to earn a reputation for durability. Number 4. 1984 Toyota pickup, $3,950, Wilseyville, California. Powered by Toyota's legendary 22R four-cylinder engine and backed by a 4-speed manual transmission, this mostly original 1984 Toyota pickup is a proven survivor. The truck recently passed emissions testing and received new tires and brakes. Although the bed shows rust, the drivetrain remains strong and leak-free. These Japanese-built Toyota pickups are widely respected for their exceptional longevity and straightforward mechanical design. Number 5. 1989 Ford F250 XLT Lariat 4x4 Camper, $4,650, Seattle, Washington. This 1989 Ford F250 XLT Lariat combines heavy-duty capability with added camping versatility. Equipped with a powerful 7.5-liter V8, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and an included camper setup, it offers tremendous value. The engine was reportedly overhauled only 10,000 miles ago, and the truck also features new tires. Classic Ford big block trucks continue to attract buyers looking for rugged utility and vintage character. Number 6. 1986 Ford Ranger, $1,200, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1986 Ford Ranger is a simple compact pickup powered by a 4-cylinder engine and 5-speed manual transmission. The seller reports that it runs and drives, making it one of the more affordable classic truck options available. Rangers from this era are known for their practicality, fuel efficiency, and ease of maintenance, making them popular starter classics. Number 7. 1984 GMC Square Body, $4,500, West Fargo, North Dakota. This 1984 GMC Square Body appears to be a solid restoration candidate. The truck features a replacement Target Master 350 V8 engine, rebuilt transmission, and rebuilt transfer case. The bed is reportedly in excellent condition, while only minor rust repairs remain. With Square Body GMC and Chevrolet trucks continuing to gain collector attention, this truck offers plenty of potential at a reasonable price. Number 8. 1947 International KB3, $1,000, Miles City, Montana. This 1947 International KB3 is a true barn-find-style project that was reportedly saved from being scrapped. While it lacks a title and requires complete restoration, its rarity and historic appeal make it interesting for dedicated collectors. International harvester pickups from the late 1940s are becoming increasingly difficult to find, particularly in largely complete condition. Number 9. 1968 Ford F100 long bed, $4,300, Reno, Nevada. This 1968 Ford F100 is powered by a rebuilt 390 cubic inch V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt carburetor, electronic ignition, and new master cylinder. Having spent its life in Nevada's dry climate, rust appears limited compared to many trucks of this era. Additional spare parts further enhance its value as a practical vintage pickup. Number 10. 1966 Chevrolet truck, $3,200, Las Vegas, Nevada. This 1966 Chevrolet pickup offers classic styling, V8 power, and a manual transmission at an attractive price point. The seller reports that the engine runs and the truck remains in good condition overall. Chevrolet trucks from the mid-1960s are highly regarded for their clean body lines and straightforward mechanical design, making them popular among restorers and collectors alike. Number 11. 1978 Chevrolet half-ton 4x4, $4,500, Oroville, Washington. This 1978 Chevrolet four-wheel drive pickup features a freshly rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8, a new 3-inch lift kit, aftermarket wheels, and a largely rust-free body. Although a few minor items still require attention, the truck reportedly runs and drives great. Its combination of four-wheel drive capability and strong mechanical upgrades makes it an appealing square body project. Number 12. 1963 Chevrolet K10 Short Box 4x4, $18,900, Newcastle, Wyoming. This 1963 Chevrolet K10 blends vintage styling with modern drivability. It features a fuel-injected 350 cubic inch V8, 700R4 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, and upgraded suspension components. The patina finish preserves its classic appearance, while modern mechanical upgrades improve reliability. Short-bed four-wheel drive Chevrolet trucks from the early 1960s remain highly desirable among collectors. Number 13. 1955 Ford F250, $17,500. Sequim, Washington. This 1955 Ford F250 is a well-preserved survivor, powered by its original 6-cylinder engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The truck retains much of its factory character while offering a solid foundation for either restoration or customization. Early Ford F-Series trucks continue to enjoy strong collector interest due to their timeless styling and rugged construction. Number 14. 1982 Chevrolet S10 4x4, $350, Wimer, Oregon. This 1982 Chevrolet S10 4x4 is priced primarily as a parts truck or restoration project. The V6 engine reportedly turned over and ran when parked, while the body and glass remain in decent condition. First-generation S10 trucks have developed a loyal following, particularly four-wheel drive examples, making this inexpensive project potentially worthwhile for the right buyer. Number 15. 1965 Ford F100 Short-Bed Restomod, $18,900, San Diego, California. This 1965 Ford F100 has undergone extensive restoration and modernization. Upgrades include a rebuilt 302 cubic inch V8, four-wheel disc brakes, upgraded suspension, new wiring, aluminum radiator, electronic ignition, and numerous drivetrain improvements. The result is a classic truck with significantly improved reliability and driving manners. Short-bed F100 Restomods remain among the most desirable classic truck builds on today's market. Number 16. 1978 GMC Camper Special 4x4 2500, $1,000, Milaca, Minnesota. Powered by a 454 cubic inch big block V8 and equipped with four-wheel drive, this 1978 GMC Camper Special offers substantial parts value despite its severe frame rust. The truck still runs and drives, and the body panels, doors, fenders, and flatbed remain in surprisingly good condition. While not roadworthy, it could serve as an excellent donor vehicle for a square body restoration, rat rod build, or drivetrain swap project.